for exact notes. It's just exact notes. Music rocks. Yeah.
Well, hello and welcome to a little thing I like to call the Baby Shark warm-up. We are going to use all of our fingers and get ready with some notes and some rhythms and some melodies and hopefully even kind of warm up our heart for some fun. What do you think? Warm up your heart for some fun? Ever heard a phrase like that? Me neither. I don't know if it's real. Let's give it a try. Let's see what happens. We're going to start with just our thumb, and these are the notes we need. D, E, G, G, G. Can you hear it in there? Baby shark, do, 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 do. Baby shark, do, 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 do. Try playing along with me. Baby shark, do, 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 do. Now F sharp. That's the only part that's different. Now we're going to switch to the next finger, the pointer finger, on D. D, E, G, 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 G. And this is Mama Shark. Mama Shark. Now middle finger, or third finger, for Daddy Shark. Daddy Shark, do, 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 do. Daddy Shark, do, 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 do. Now, fourth finger, ring finger, for Grandma Shark. Grandma Shark, do, 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 do. Grandma Shark, do, 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 do. Grandma Shark, do, 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 do. Grandma Shark. And then Daddy Shark, Grandpa Shark, for pinky finger. Grandpa Shark, do, 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 do. Grandpa Shark, do, 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 do. And then we need to add some new notes. We're going to start here. Everything's going to move up 1/2 step. So take a look at this. D to D sharp is our first note. And that's run. And then... Grandpa sharp. There it is. D sharp to F. Not F sharp, we're not going to use the black key, just regular F, and then G sharp here. Like that. Run away, do, 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 do. And I want you to use three fingers, these three fingers. Run away, like that. Run away, do, 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 do. Run away, do, 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 do. Then we're going to switch to our middle three fingers for safe at last, do, 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 do. Safe at last, do, 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 do. Safe at last, do, 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 do. Safe at last. And then our last three fingers for it's the end, do, 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 do. It's the end, do, 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 do. It's the end, do, 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 do. It's the end. And then when it's the end, we do this for the ending. D sharp, F, D sharp, F, G sharp. But it goes quick like this. And if you want to, you could end on a low G sharp, like that, or something like that. And that sounds kind of like it's over. Or you could even do a lower G sharp, like that. And that sounds like a good ending. And that's the Baby Shark warm-up. Do you feel a little warmed up? Remember how the keys work? I love it because we use all of our fingers. We can use combinations. We get to use the natural notes. We get to use some sharps. And we get to have some fun. Okay, that's all we're going to do for right now. Give yourself a round of applause. Good job.
How was that? Pretty good? Is that a wrap? I think we're good for today. Everybody, great job. That's all right. Nice work. Real solid. Great.